Hi, I'm Christy Darty. I teach hand lettering and I promote goodness. I want people to be the light in this world. And so that's why I'm coming to you to share a workshop I have coming up. It's called 2020 Vision Creative Workshop. I cannot wait to bring to you some ideas on how to make this next decade better than the one in the past. We got to move on from the past. We got to look forward, and there's a lot of different ways you can do that. So how about think about in the future, maybe some things you've said yes to, it's time to say no to. And maybe it's some things that you've said no to that it's time to say yes to. There's so many different things that we're going to talk about in the workshop, and make creative things. I'm going to have guest artists come in as well. That is going to make you think. I want you to come up with your word for the year and really absorb that into who you are and really think about what is it that I want to focus on for this year. And what's really funny is my word this year is shine. And I had no idea that I had shine here and shine there until I started making this video. That's really cool. It's no accident, is it? So because I do promote how to be the light to people, I have a hand lettering tribe, and that's what it's called, Be the Light Lettering Tribe. And that's what we do. We just completely try to learn scripture, focus on what can we do to be ways to be kind to others. And I want to talk about that here as well in this course. And so, or this workshop. We also want to think about dreams. Is it time to let go of some of those dreams? Or is it time to fulfill them? Sometimes God closes the door on one thing and we've been stuck. We're like, wait, why? That's not right. But then he might have something else on the other side that we are ignoring. You know, we got to open our eyes to those things. Another thing is personality. You know, what are some things that we've noticed about ourselves that we want to change, that we want to work on? This is the time to do it, y'all. This is a new decade, 2020. It's an exciting time. We're starting fresh. We're starting new. So whatever it is that you want to work on, this is your chance. This is your chance to talk about it. We'll talk a little bit about the Enneagram, which is kind of like a personality test. And we'll talk about spiritual gifts. And if you're one of those people that say, God didn't give me a gift, I am sorry to tell you, he gave everybody a gift. And so it's time for you to figure out what that is. What is a spiritual gift? Also, how are ways that you can minister to your community, minister to a neighbor, minister to someone in your family? God has called us to do that. So how can you do that? Maybe you need some ideas, you need some tips, you need some help. Sometimes when we are hurting, when we are ill, we forget to look on the outside of ourselves. There's so many different ways you can minister to others. So anyway, that's just the little tiny bit that we're going to talk about in this workshop. So I hope you'll join us for the 2020 Vision Creative Workshop. See you later.